Hello. ISRO achieves a major breakthrough in its semi-cryogenic engine development. ISRO has achieved a major breakthrough in the semi-cryogenic development program with the first successful hot test of the intermediate configuration of the 200 kN semi-cryogenic engine, designated as a Powerhead Test Article, that is PHTA, at ISRO Propulsion Complex, Mahendragiri on 28, 2025 March. The Powerhead Test Article, that is PHTA, test validated the integrated performance of all the engine systems like turbopumps, preburner, start system and control components except for the thrust chamber. The test went in accordance with the predictions and the engine parameters are as expected. The excellent performance of the Powerhead Test Article, that is PHTA, and the dedicated semi-cryogenic integrated engine test facility have given confidence to progress further with a series of tests to validate the engine systems before realizing the fully integrated engine. This success was achieved through a systematic test program starting from the single element level under various test conditions and trials. ISRO is now closer to the much coveted technology of high-thrust semi-cryogenic propulsion systems, which will enhance the payload of LVM-3 launch vehicle, that is Mark III vehicle, from 4 tons to more than 5 tons to GTO, that is Geostationary Transfer Orbit. Okay, we'll get into the details now. ISRO is achieving progress in the design and development of semi-cryogenic engine or liquid oxygen kerosene engine with a high thrust of 2000 kN that will power the semi-cryogenic booster stage of the launch vehicle Mark III. The first major breakthrough in the semi-cryogenic engine development program was achieved on March 28, 2025, when the first successful hot test of engine Powerhead Test Article, that is PHTA, was carried out at ISRO Propulsion Complex, Mahendragiri, Tamil Nadu. The Liquid Propulsion Systems Center, LPSC, of ISRO is developing the semi-cryogenic propulsion engine and the stage SC-120, powered by the 2000 kN semi-cryogenic engine, that is SC-2000, will replace the present core liquid stage L-110 of launch vehicle Mark III for payload enhancement and power the booster stages of future launch vehicles. Non-toxic and non-hazardous propellants, liquid oxygen and kerosene, are employed in semi-cryogenic propulsion, and this will deliver high performance compared to existing L-110 stage. Induction of semi-cryogenic propulsion system along with operated cryogenic stage in the launch vehicle Mark III enhances its payload capability from 4 tons to 5 tons in geostationary orbit. Major subsystems of SC-2000 engine, that is semi-cryogenic engine of 2000 kilonewtons, include thrust chamber, preburner, turbopump system, control components and startup system. The SC-2000 engine works with a complex oxidizer-rich staged combustion cycle with high chamber pressure of 180 bar, with propellant feed system delivering pressure up to 600 bar and specific impulse of 335 seconds. The complex engine hardware uses specific materials to withstand the high temperature and oxidizer-rich combustion. The hardware along with the space-grade kerosene are realized in partnership with Indian industry. The development of this engine in these high thrust levels is highly challenging, and this technology is available with only very few nations. The realization of a test facility to qualify the engine and stage is equally complex and challenging. The complex semi-cryogenic integrated engine test facility, SIET, was established at ISRO Propulsion Research Complex, IPRC, Mahendragiri, for testing the engine and stage, and was dedicated to the nation by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji on February 27, 2024. This facility caters to storage and servicing of large volume of propellants and service fluids at high pressures. The capability of the test stand is validated through several flow and ignition trials. The test stand, which involves many sophisticated control components, are managed from a test control center that is also developed indigenously. This facility with a state-of-art PLC-based control system and data acquisition system is capable of testing semi-cryogenic engines up to 2600 kN thrust. Prior to the conduct of integrated engine level hot tests, it is planned to carry out performance evaluation tests of the immediate configuration, designated as Powerhead Test Article, that is PHTA, that comprises all the engine systems except the thrust chamber. The hot test that was carried out today, that is 28 March 2025, is the first of a series of tests planned to validate the design of the propellant feed system, including the low pressure and high pressure turbopumps, the preburner, start system and control components. All subsystems for the test were realized and had undergone rigorous qualification test prior to integration to the Powerhead Test Article. The ignition sequence of Powerhead Test Article, that is PHTA, was derived from a series of hot tests in single element level. In order to ensure the smooth ignition process during the Powerhead Test Article test, that is PHTA test, another test article, that is PITA, stands for Preburner Ignition Test Article, was realized, which consists of the preburner along with its feed systems, start system and related control components. A series of tests were successfully completed using the PITA, that is Preburner Ignition Test Article, and the optimum start sequence for Powerhead Test Article was delivered. The today's, that is 28 March 2025 test demonstrated the smooth ignition and boost strap mode operation of the engine over the test duration of 2.5 seconds. The objective of the test was to validate the integrated performance of the critical subsystems such as the preburner, turbopumps, start system and control components by carrying out a hot firing for a short duration of 2.5 seconds. The test proceeded as predicted and all the engine parameters were as expected. With this breakthrough, ISRO is further planning a series of tests on the PHTA, that is Powerhead Test Article, to further validate and fine-tune the performance before the realization of the fully integrated engine. Okay, thank you.
Here's your Radhika signing off with Till Loose.